Welcome to VPerfectCS. I am Vinay Rana, an Odoo implementation consultant. Our team delivers practical Odoo ERP implementation, custom applications, integration, and business automation. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for Odoo tutorials and product demonstrations. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are exploring the VPCS Cloud Private MCP platform. As enterprises and developers adopt AI coding agents like Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor, they need secure, zero trust access to internal company databases, ERP systems, and financial APIs. This platform is a production-hardened hybrid MCP gateway. It combines a Cloudflare Zero Trust OAuth edge with an isolated Python fast API backend running on a private VPS, providing enterprise-grade security, least privileged access, and multi-client compatibility. So why can't enterprises simply run standard public or local MCP servers? First, local MCP servers often expose unauthenticated localhost ports, making them vulnerable to rogue local scripts. Second, standard servers lack multi-client pinning. If an agent completes browser OAuth, any client on that machine might reuse the token across unauthorized contexts. Third, standard containers have unrestricted outbound internet access, creating severe data exfiltration risks. And finally, shared caches risk leaking company records between tenants. Our private platform solves every one of these vulnerabilities. Let us walk through the complete end-to-end request lifecycle. At the outermost perimeter, Cloudflare provides the public host name, DDoS protection, and a Cloudflare worker implementing OAuth with PKCES 256 and access one-time PIN login. From the edge, traffic enters an outbound-only Cloudflare tunnel daemon on our private VPS, meaning zero public inbound ports are ever opened on the server. Inside the VPS, a non-root fast API container executes our layered policy engine, routes through an outbound Squid proxy, and communicates with downstream adapters. Security in this platform is strictly default deny. Passing Cloudflare authentication is necessary but never sufficient. Every single tool request is evaluated against 6 verification factors: the authenticated human subject, the pinned OAuth client ID, the target environment, the granted OAuth scopes, the target tenant and model bounds, and ephemeral session validity. Tool discovery is dynamically filtered, so clients only see the exact tools they are explicitly authorized to invoke. Here you see our complete production architecture diagram rendered from our design records. When all providers are enabled, the platform registers 28 task-oriented bounded tools, 8 for Multi-Tenant Odoo, 14 for Zerodha Kite, 3 for GitHub app repository access, 2 for commit pinned knowledge retrieval, and 1 read-only platform proof tool. Notice how the application maintains hard boundaries between identity resolution, secret storage, and provider execution. Our first core provider is the Multi-Tenant Odoo adapter. It supports Odoo versions 17, 18, and 19 simultaneously using version-aware protocols, XMLRPC for versions 17 and 18, and JSON RPC 2.0 for Odoo 19. Instead of exposing dangerous generic execute endpoints, we provide 5 bounded primitives: Odoo search, Odoo count, Odoo read, Odoo group, and Odoo aggregate. Each operation enforces strict company, model, and field allow lists. We also include type composite services for HR appraisal and payroll rollovers. Our second provider integrates Zerodha's Kite Trading API. Financial integrations demand airtight session security. When an agent invokes Kite login start, the server returns an interactive login URL with a single-use opaque state token. The human completes daily login and 2-factor authentication in the browser. The callback exchanges the token and stores it in an AES-encrypted file on a dedicated volume. Sessions automatically expire at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time every day, and order placement is strictly blocked in production policy. For code-based intelligence, our GitHub provider operates as a dedicated GitHub app. It mints short-lived in-memory JWTs on demand using an app private key, meaning zero personal access tokens are stored in configuration. Our fourth provider is the commit pinned knowledge base. Documentation from official repositories is normalized and indexed offline. At runtime, search queries return text chunks citing the exact commit SHA, file path, and license, while treating all content as untrusted data to prevent prompt injection. One of our biggest architectural breakthroughs is outbound egress restriction. The fast API gateway container has no default route to the public internet. All outbound network traffic is forced through an internal Squid proxy that strictly enforces an SNI destination allow list. The gateway is permitted to connect exclusively to our 4 approved Odoo production domains, the Kite Trading API and GitHub. Any connection attempt to an unauthorized host or port is immediately dropped. Compatibility across AI development tools is essential. The platform supports streamable HTTP and SSE transports working natively with Claude Code, Claude Desktop, OpenAI Codex, CLI, Cursor, and Antigravity. To eliminate the constant churn of dynamic client registration where client IDs change on every restart, our Cloudflare worker exposes an authenticated admin endpoint that allows operators to enroll permanent, static client IDs in seconds. Deploying updates to production is fully automated and risk-free. We use a Git-driven rollout script that defaults to dry run mode, allowing operators to preview container diffs before applying changes. Our GitHub Actions CI/CD pipeline runs unit tests, builds version tagged images, and deploys staging and production side by side on the same VPS with completely independent worker names, KV namespaces, and tunnel routes. Our platform underwent a comprehensive security review. Key confirmed controls include disabling all FastAPI, OpenAPI, and Swagger documentation in production, ensuring zero plaintext secrets or private keys in tracked code, returning sanitized generic error envelopes to prevent information leakage, and enforcing strict dual binding of human subject and client ID across all sessions. At VPerfectCS, our philosophy is simple. You own every line of code we build. Unlike closed code partners who lock your business into proprietary runtimes and opaque fees, we deliver full source code, private VPS hosting architecture, and total data sovereignty. With over 7 years of Odoo mastery and 50+ enterprise clients, we help you scale your business with confidence. Because this platform is engineered as a secure, private enterprise system, organizations do not connect to a shared public endpoint. Instead, you can adopt this exact Zero Trust architecture on your own private VPS using our modular design patterns. We help you provision dedicated Cloudflare tunnels, configure your private Odoo and financial providers, and tailor custom access policies for your engineering team. Thank you for watching this architectural walkthrough of the VPCS Cloud Private MCP platform. If you are looking to build a private, Zero Trust MCP server for your company with custom tool integrations, reach out to our team at vpcscloud.com. Be sure to subscribe to the channel at Vinosoft85 for more enterprise engineering deep dives and share this video with your engineering team. See you in the next video.